And now that she's cut up in little pieces, we can begin to saute her a little bit. Our next guest for dinner, our next roaster, has been a member of Voces Latinas for 4 or 5 years, actually. Probably one of the first members. And
I'm glad you didn't say one of the oldest. Even if it's true.
But I think he knows Laura very well, and I wanted to save him till the end for that. So please help me welcome David Allen Cruz.
Mr. Roastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, most welcome guests. Laura, you too. How do you talk about someone who is virtually perfect in every way? Who is a flawless diamond, who is a spark of light, and someone who just seems to have the ability to do exactly what's needed to be done at exactly the right time? Well, luckily tonight we're talking about Laura. And incidentally, Laura, just before I came here, I got a message from your good friend Joe Dadon. Wishing you all the best.
God.
Bit of an inside joke.
Yeah, that was an inside joke.
For those of you who have been with Voces Latinas for a while, recognize how much Laura has been an asset to our group. Before Laura came, we were a quiet little group. We were intimate and unassuming. We were barely recognized and rather under the radar of Toastmasters International, and we liked it that way. You know, I mean, I would go to the meetings and it would just be a place where, you know, an old Chicano activist could show up and talk, you know, and we would get to interact and have fun, eat sushi. Nobody had any problems. Now we don't even eat sushi. The changes have been profound. They know who we are. Laura, by the way, as it's been noted, is a pescatarian. And I just want to congratulate you that you can now get married. But you know that gorgeous smile that you see, that's the key. That's the secret. And I know, someone once called it a cheeseburger smile. I never quite got it. And it seems so right. That she practices that smile every night. Doesn't she, Tony? Every night? She stands in front of the mirror practicing the smile, and it gets her exactly what she wants. That and that sweet little voice. She actually got me to enter a contest. I didn't want to enter no contest. She and her co-conspirator over there, using their feminine wildness. we've become. From a little group that used to meet, drink sushi, to eat sushi and drink sake.
Yeah.
Now, we've moved into a big room with lights. And we enter contests, and they know who we are, and we got people who are presidents of other clubs. We got ribbons, and I don't even know what they mean. And it's her fault, because now we gotta do stuff. She forced us to become leaders. And she's done a good job. And I miss the old days. But you know what? You've done a wonderful job. And you're a wonderful person. And you are truly, truly a blessing to us all. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you for being the first female president. Thank you for raising the bar. Thank you for making it even more difficult for the rest of us. Margot, I'm sorry, darling, but you know what? You're gonna have to, you have to kill her or something.
I can't do that. I need her.
Laura, thank you for making us so much more than we ever started out to be. And you are a wonderful, wonderful blessing to us all.